News of the day, the Supreme Court has indeed upheld the TikTok divest or ban law. Senator Mark Wayne Mullin, Republican from Oklahoma, joins me now. Mr. Senator, there seem to be some negotiations going on. President-elect Trump and President of China, President Xi Jinping of China, they spoke on the phone today. TikTok's chief executive will be at the inauguration. Do you think the president-elect will get this done and negotiate so people can keep TikTok in America?
Well, I would never underestimate the ability that President Trump has to negotiate. Stuart, you and I both know he literally wrote the book on that. The problem that we have is China, the CCP, has to divest themselves not just of ownership, but of control. They control the algorithms of it. That means they got to release it completely. They also control the servers, and they're infiltrated all through the network. So it's not just simply selling the company, but it's divesting itself and getting rid of the software that's inside of TikTok as well. President Trump also understands retail politics, Stuart. He understands that 30% of the TikTok users actually supported him. They're a younger generation, and he does not take that for granted. He also understands there's a tremendous amount of wealth on network that people make a living from and companies advertise with, and he doesn't want to do anything to disrupt that. So you find the incoming President-elect President Trump, in a situation that he's trying to find the perfect balance between the enterprises and Congress, which is a very difficult spot to find yourself in.
I think it's going to be an intense period of negotiation for the next 36, 48 hours, and we don't know how it's going to turn out. Now, Mr. Senator, the Prime Minister of Greenland, let me really change the subject. The Prime Minister of there says his people do not want to be a part of Denmark or America. Watch this.
Greenland and the future of Greenland will be decided by the Greenlandic people. And the Greenlandic people don't want to be Danes. The Greenlandic people don't want to be Americans. Greenlandic people want to be part of the Western Alliance as a Greenlandic people. And from that, we want and have the goal to have more cooperation with our strong partners as US is. You are our neighbor. Your security is our security.
Okay, Mr. Senator, do we need to buy and control Greenland or just do more business there?
Well, I think there's two. I think the more we do business there, the more our economies interchange with each other, the more that Greenland understands the importance that the United States brings to them. Strategically speaking, Greenland is very important to the United States. They also understand that we're their closest ally as far as protecting them from fierce activities that may have a negative effect towards Greenland or want to take advantage of them. I think it's just simply going in there and taking over. It would be difficult for us to do that, but we can slowly show the importance of what we bring to the table and let those individuals that live in Greenland, let them make their decision for themselves. I think they will find us a very comfortable place to be part of and something that they can take pride in. And President Trump is going to strongly push this and advocate for this, but ultimately the people that live in Greenland is going to make that decision.
I think they will. Senator Mark Wayne Mullin, thanks for being with us this morning, sir.